Hi, I'm Vince Galante. I'm the head of design for Jeep, and I'm here to introduce you to one of our 2025 Easter Jeep Safari concept cars. This is the bug out concept. So with this one, we really wanted to do a modern take on overlanding, which is a type of off-roading that's become really popular in the last decade or so. So I know we're up at the front, but the real story on this one is at the back. So let's take a look at the back. We started with a Wrangler 4-door 4xe Rubicon. As you can see, it only has the front doors. So for overlanding, what you want is space, and space that is very versatile and very adaptable depending on what you want to do. So on this one, we created a custom body side aperture panel that removed not just the rear door, but the rear seats, and then also extended the back all the way back to where the face of the rear tire is. So it's no longer than a Wrangler 4-door, but it gives you about another 1.5 feet of space in the back. And what that allows you to do, it gives the people using it a blank canvas back here. We've got some mole grid pattern back here. We've got some nets. We've got an e-scooter in the back. We've got tents. We've got all kinds of things that you can use to strap your gear to attach your gear to use this really as you want it to. Another cool detail on the bug out concept is the wheel and tire package. So these are 37-inch KO3 tires, which are kind of the most popular tire for overlanding. You'll notice the tread pattern isn't as blocky and as aggressive because of the purpose that it has of a more versatile terrain that it can go over. In addition to that, you'll notice that we have these 17-inch lightweight styled wheels, again to go kind of with the lightweighting, more minimal approach of the bug out concept. And then kind of the last thing I want to mention on this one is the color palette. We finished this one in a P51 silver, which is a matte silver that we've created. And it's accented by these bright glossy yellow accents. And then believe it or not, this isn't gray. This is actually an olive green. And this whole color palette together was inspired by some of our past military fighter jets. So a new take on overlanding where we've actually opened it up and lightweighted everything and removed a lot of things, but given back the person that's operating the vehicle the ability to customize.